Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Abigail Ogumolade. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can set up your business on Google and get it verified immediately. All you need to do is to go to google.com/business, right? Then guys, before we start, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please guys kindly do so. But kindly subscribe to my channel and please kindly like my video. Also create Google My Business account, you need a Google account. It could be Gmail, you need Gmail account, right? So all you need to do is to sign in, click on sign in or manage now. You understand? To get to this page, we click on google.com/business, right? So you click on manage now or sign in. So you can sign in with your Gmail account. So all you need to do is to enter your email, then you click on next, you enter your password to sign in. But if you don't have a Google account, all you need to do is to create an account. Just click on create account. It's going to take you, it's very easy. Ask for your first name. So let me just show you. Click on create an account. So, all right. So it's going to ask for your first name, last name. I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing you for those people that does not have Gmail accounts. If you don't have Gmail account, you can just create one. But if you have, all you need to do is to sign in. So I'm going to go back. So I'm going to to sign in with my Gmail account. So enter your email, then you click on next and your password. Okay, so once you click on manage now, it's going to bring you to this place. It's telling you to enter your business name. So you should have a business name you want to you know to put. So my own is webmaster Abigail. So I'm going to enter that. So that is my business name. That's business name I want to use. All right, so just click that, webmaster Abigail. Okay. All right, so just click on continue. Okay, so it's going to ask you to choose your business type. Is it online? Do you have a local store? Maybe you have a physical store, a shop, or no, or you serve or service business. So I'm going to choose online retail because I want my business to be online. So I'm choosing online. So if you choose local store, then you should know that you have to fill some information in the next page. So add your online store. So what's my online store? Enter your website for the online store. So this is my website. I'm going to put in my website. So if you have a landing page or a website, just put it there. Enter a web address where customer can purchase your product. So after you, they'll just click on next. Okay, enter a business category. So your business has category. If you are into health products, you should know what you are supposed to, click. If you are into skincare products, if you are into clothing or fashion. So depending on your business, your business, so you that is what you are going to select here. So in this for this particular product, I'm actually a web developer. So I'm selecting web designer here. All right, so click on next. Okay, so you enter your business address. So enter your business address. Enter your business address. Okay, so your location, your country. So depending on where you are watching from, depending on your area, you select your country, your street address, then your local government, then your state. So you need to fill all these requirements. So after you have done that, so just go through it. After you have done that, just click on next. All right, so where are you located? So drag and zoom the map and position the you can just that is Ogba. So I stay around Ogba. So yeah, so you can just click on next. So click on next. Okay, so it's asking us to add our phone number. So make sure you put a number that your customer will be able to have access to. That anytime they, you know, they click on your number, they try to dial your number, it will be available. So I'm going to put my phone number here. Okay, so after you put your phone number, you can now click on next. So guys, if you are getting value from this video and you are here to subscribe to my channel, please guys kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, and please kindly like this video, because the more you like this video, the more you to continue to show this video to people that really need this video, that really want this kind of video. So please also on turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we release video like this, you'll be notified. So then put your business on the map, so you can just click on, you know, get discovered by people. Just click on that and just continue. Okay, now the next stage is to get verified. This is very very important. So it's telling us to select a way you want to get verified. You can actually get, we have three options here: phone code, email code, and business code. So I won't advise you to choose phone code, because I've done it before. You know, I was not able to get a phone on the code, so I use email code. I've opened three business accounts, Google business profile, like 3 times, and I've been able to, so you use email. I was able to get my code. Do you understand? So just use email to get your verification code. Yes, so this is, now look at it, where I put my business, my website. This is my business email. So if you don't have a business email, you can just put ordinary email. Do you understand? So you definitely get a code. So the only thing I also advise you is that when you want to, once you put your email here, once you put your email here, you need to wait for, like, you see, don't rush. That is where the problem is. Some people say, okay, I put email, I didn't get the code, I didn't do this, I didn't do that. You have to be patient, because this is what happened. So if you use email, it can take up to 20 to 25 minutes. Do you understand? So just be patient. Now look at the code that they have sent the code to us. That is, I just want to reassure you, so that you will know that I'm not lying, that you can actually verify your Google business profile using your email. Look at it. So the code has been sent to me. You can see Webmaster Happy Guy. This is just what I just create now. So and within 20 to 25 minutes, I was able to get my code. So I'm just going to copy this code, then put it here. Do you understand? So just put the code and click on what? Verify. So just click on verify. Good, 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 good. Boom. So you are now verified. So our Google business, our account is now on Google. Like, people can, when people search for a related service to your product, they can actually view it on Google. Do you understand? So your business is now on Google. So you are asked to add your services. So you are going to add your relating to your what you offer. So web designer, I also offer mobile app development, application development, website development. So if the option is not here, you can add custom service. Other custom service, you can add your own service, what you offer there. Do you understand? You can just add it. Okay, so I click on add custom service. I was able to add web development. So you can digital agency. Digital agency, guys. Okay, hope you are following me. Okay, okay, okay. So just add any of your services, so that when people search for it, they are going to see it. You can going to see your profile on Google. So that is that. So once you are done with that, you just click on what next. click on next. All right. So another thing is to add your business hour. So add your business hour. So we have 7 days in a week. We have Sunday. So depending on the location, if you have a store, maybe a physical location where customer will come and visit you, definitely you should have a specific time you open and a specific time you close. So it can just be 8 from 8 to 6 depending on you. But if you run an online store, you want to to be online 24 hours. So I actually put 24 hours for my own. So I don't know about you, depending on you. So you can just make addition. So after we finish all this, if you want to edit your profile, you can also edit your profile. Do you understand? So let's just continue. So after you have done that, just click on next. Just click on next. All right. So let customer message your business on Google. Yes. So accept message, then click on what next. All right, so you can add your business description. So you make sure that I'm just using this, as tutorial to explain to you. So if you, for your business, make sure you write a description of your product or your services you are running. This is what customer will see. This is one of customer what customer will read to to contact you. So you must be professional when you are writing your description. So I'm just writing this for example. So make sure you write a very good description of your what product or services. So the next one is add photos of your business. So you can actually add your cover photo. So if you don't want to add a photo now, you can still skip it. You can add photo later. Do you understand? So okay, I think I went back. All right. So I'm just going to skip this for now. I'm not going to add photo for now. All right. So it's telling us claim your 300 and you don't need all this one. You don't just keep it. Just keep it. So your edit will be visible once you are verified. Definitely we are verified. So just continue. Boom, our business is now on Google. So you can see this is webmaster Abigail. This is what I just create. So your business is now on Google. Now look at this edit profile. So if you want to make any edition, you want to change the hour, the description, your business day, you can just click on edit what profile. You can see. So this is because we have not added photo. Look at this add photo. I don't mean you have added photo, it will show. So you can click on from through that. You can also add your look at the phone number. Look at if you want to get review, look at it. Your address is here, your hour, the hour, the time. So then if you also want to get a review from your customer, you can also do that. So that is so I click on edit profile. So if you want to change your business name, you can. That is where you change it. A webmaster be guide. If you want to change your website address, yeah, you can do that. Do you understand? Contact too. If you want to, your phone number. If you want to change your phone number, you can do that. So that is simple as if you want to edit anything, your house, your location, your contacts, you can definitely do everything here. So I hope you understand this teaching. I hope you understand this tutorial. Guys, if you are here to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel. So this is our Google business profile. This is our business um webmaster Abby guide. So that is how to know how to create your Google business profile. This is how to make your business to be visible. So any product if you have and if you are an e-commerce store, you can just create